All right. We have another Tia's Kitchen. What are we doing here?
Making homemade sliders, just sandwiches.
Homemade slider. Okay. All right.
With four different cheeses.
4 different cheeses.
Swiss, Kobe, and then jalapeno and American. As you can see, the American's gone.
The American is the yellow. Okay. All right.
And that's it.
How many meats we got here?
Just 2, turkey and ham.
And this is for just a Christmas lunch. All right. We'll be giving this to our church members, right?
Right.
Okay. We'll see how they come out when you're done. All right. And this is the finished product. Look at these sandwiches here. Half turkey and half ham.
That's it.
All right. Test time. All right. These sandwiches have American cheese, turkey, ham, and some pepper jack cheese. Fresh turkey, Hawaiian bread, pepper jack cheese, and an American cheese. Really good. Another great creation from Tia's Kitchen.